Hello guys, continue about factorizing by completing the square. You can see in the screen now the coefficient of x squared, it is not 1 anymore, that is maybe 2 or 3 or another number that have to be different to x. So how can you solve with this one? I will factor, take common factor outside of 3 terms in the quadratic expression and change coefficient of x squared become to 1. Example, for question A, you got 2x squared plus 2 times 6x and plus 2 times 4. After this writing, you got 2 in the common factor. I will take it outside the bracket. Inside, you got x squared plus 6x and plus 4 here. And go on for the next step, completing the square. X squared plus 2 multiply x and 3. You will have 3 will be the next number, plus 3 square minus 3 square at the same time, and plus 4. Copy that. After here, you got the first 3 terms inside the bracket. You will have x plus 3 square outside. The other side will be outside will be minus 9 plus 4. Okay, because you have small bracket, so outside of the bigger one, it is square bracket. And the number outside of the square, perfect square, is minus 5. The same thing that's like the previous exercise. You got 2 here, x plus 3 minus square root 5. And the other bracket will be x plus 3 plus square root of 5 here, because you got 5 number here is not square number, that is non-square number, so I change 5 become to square root of 5. Outside you got square like here. And the difference between this question to the previous video is you got 3 factor in the answer. The first one is true, the next one and the third one. You have 2 outside here because I need to change the coefficient of x squared become to 2. So take 2 outside. You have the similar step that's like the previous question. And now move to question B. About B, I will take 3 outside. Inside the bracket, you got x squared plus 4x and minus 1. Here is 3. X squared plus 2 times x times 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 1. The first 3 terms can combine become to the perfect square x plus 2 square, and outside you got minus 4 minus 1. All of them inside the square bracket. Here you got x plus 2 square here and minus 5 one more time. You still have 5. This means you will work with square root 5 plus 2 minus square root 5 multiply with x plus 2 plus square root 5 like here. Yeah, that is question B. Move to question C. You have 4. Take 4 outside. That's like the common factor. 4 x squared minus 2x minus 4. Here is 4. X squared minus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 4. For this question, you got here is x minus 1 square here and minus 5 one more time, because minus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 5. Yeah, square bracket. And the same thing that's like previous question AB, but minus square root 5 here. That is the first bracket. The second one x minus 1 plus square root 5 like this one. Okay, that is question C. The next question, you got D here, and take 3 outside. Change x squared become 2. Only x squared is not 3 anymore. Take 3 outside. Inside the bracket, you got this question plus 2. So 3 x squared minus 2 times x times 4. You got 4 plus 4 square minus itself the same time and plus 2. Okay, and now 3 x minus 4 is the perfect square, and minus 16 plus 2 outside. You have minus 14. Minus 14. So h minus 4 minus square root 14 lie here. Multiply with h minus 4 plus square root 14. Plus square root 14. Yeah, that is question D. Move to question E. You got minus is not a positive integer anymore. Very carefully about this one because I want to take minus 2 is a common factor outside. Minus 2h squared minus 4 times h and about plus 10. This is minus 5 times minus 2. You have all of these three terms have the common factor is minus 2. So I can take minus 2 outside. H squared, oh sorry, I will change 4 here become to 2 times 2. Minus 2 outside you got here is 2h and here is minus 5. Yep. Go on for the next step. H squared plus 2 times h times 1 plus 1 squared minus 1 squared minus 5. Go on. Minus 2 h plus 1 square outside and minus 6. Minus 6. You got 6 is mean you got square root 6 and square outside. The difference of the square will be applied for this question. Minus square root 6 lie here and h plus 1 plus square root 6. That is question E. Move to question F. How can you work with this one? It still be the minus number, negative number. Minus 3h squared. How about minus 13? That is minus 3 times 10h minus 3 times 1. So take common factor h squared plus 10h plus 1. Yep. Go on for the next step. Minus 3 h squared plus 2 times h times 5. Figure out the next number is 5. Plus 5 squared minus itself. Copy plus 1 more time. And then minus 3 h plus 5 square minus 25 plus 1 is mean minus 24. So minus 24 you can using serve for changing that become to the another way for write out. Here is 4 times 6 is mean 2 times square root 6. The first one is here. And h plus 5 is the first number. Plus 2 square root 6. Look at this. 20 square root 24 is mean square root of 4 times 6 is mean square root 4 times square root 6. This means 2 times square root 6 here. That's why you got this number. Yeah. Hope you can understand this one. It is a little bit harder. 24. Question G, minus 4. When I take minus 4 is a common factor outside, I'm got here is h squared plus 4h, and this is not 12 anymore. It have to be minus 3. So minus 4. Completing the square one more time. 2h times 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 3. This is minus 4. h plus 2 square here minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Like this one. Go on. Minus 4. h plus 2 minus square root 7. And then you have h plus 2 plus square root 7 in here. On negative number is a little bit just like the positive number, but remember about the positive and negative rules. Negative times negative equal to positive. And the next one, question 8, you got minus 2 h squared plus 16. Meaning, this means minus 2 multiply minus 8. H, how about 4? Minus 2 times minus 2 will be equal to 4. So after this writing, I can easily take minus 2, the common factor outside. Minus 8h here and minus 2 here. Go on for the normal completing the square. 2h times 4 plus 4 square minus itself and minus 2. The first three terms will set up x minus 4 square, and then minus 4 minus 2 is mean minus 10. Oh, sorry, this is not minus 10, it is 18, minus 18. Square root here. And minus 2, x minus 4, minus 3, square root 2. I hope you can understand about the surf. Square root 18 plus 3, square root 2 here. Square root 18 is mean square root 9 times 2. It means square root 9 times square root 2 and 3 square root 2 like this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This kind of question is very hard, so carefully.